kayo. Ti agbalina po nga sanggirmi, sanggir dagiti makasapsapol pa kadagiti po ala politiko. In short, we are always counting on you because we counted on you. You count on us, count on everybody. Nada. Agsisinarani tayo. Kata jaya. Makapasakiti rin na kaarubang walulaangan nga minuton. Kakaya sa uwan, pumakada ni Tiforde kaduwaw. Kata tayo ni Manong yung June Serialas. Kagkana kanyo nga dyan magpastor nga kung kuna. Mana minamar sa latan nga kantan. Kata, till next time, Karruba. When I think like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry this tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. Lufet, kaya naman ni Manang Virgin. All alone, in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Whoa,
Thank you, FBB. Till next time, love it so much. Can we dance, Mr. Salvador? Yeah.
Lufet. For my two beautiful adding, Congresswoman and Senadora, we can count on you. Lufet. Sige pa.
Thank you, Ma'am Marang Darling.
Lufet.
Love it.
Makapamiss kayo po mama ng me. Sana makaawit kayo man na as soon as possible, as soon as you can.
Till next week, we're listening to you both. Again, here in 650 AM Radio, Honolulu, Hawaii.
Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Tulatan tayo na dyan kakanta-kasta. Tulatan tayo. Count on you every time. Siga.
Do is my worried mind, and you'll forever be Thank you, Ate Ma'am Gobernadora Darlene and Ate Virgie.
Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Tapo para iti gobernadora, senadora, ken congresswoman ti FDD. Thank you very much, met kada kayo. And this has been your Manong June Serialas.
Ken ka na kanyong Jar Mark Pass.
Saying goodbye and God bless everyone. Till next week, Karruba, the same time, 12 to 3 p.m. of Aurora.
97.7 Sweet Radio, not some
It. And of course, every Wednesday, 12 to 1 p.m. sa KPRP Pure Power Radio.
6:50 a.m. Honolulu, Hawaii.
Once again, God bless everyone.
Sweet Radio, 97.7.
97.7.